Creating a graphic design portfolio on Behance is an excellent way to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Here's how to do it effectively. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and signing in or creating a free account. Set up your profile. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo, bio, and relevant information about your skills and experience. This helps establish your identity as a designer. Create a new project. Click on Create a Project from your profile dashboard. This opens the project editor where you can add your work. Select your best work. Choose high-quality images of your graphic design projects, such as branding, posters, or illustrations. Aim to include a variety of styles to demonstrate your versatility. Add context. For each project, provide a clear description that outlines the project goals, your design process, and the tools used. This adds depth to your work. Use tags. Include relevant text to improve searchability and categorization of your projects. Publish and share. After finalizing your projects, click Publish to make them live. Share your portfolio link on social media, emails, and professional networks.